Respected professors, research scholars, and my dear students, good morning to all. Let, let us start our session by considering the question an equal to minus 1 power n, 1 by 2 minus 1 by n. Let bn equal to sum of ak, where k equal to 1 to n for all n belongs to n. Then which of the following is true? They have given the four options. Definitely these four options are dealing with limit, limit infimum, and limit supremum. So first of all, we need to check the behavior of the sequence Bn. In order to check the behavior of sequence Bn, we need to know the behavior of An. Actually, clearly they have given An equal to minus 1 power n into 1 by 2 minus 1 by n. Now, if you take the sequence Bn, definitely for even numbers, that's mean b2, b4, b6, similar way for b2n we have minus 1 power n, 1 by 2 minus 1 by n plus minus 1 whole squared, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 power 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus it goes on up to minus 1 power 2n into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 power n. Definitely since 2n is even, we get minus 1 power 2n as positive. So when you simplify these things as displayed here, what will you get? b2n is equal to summation k equal to 1 to 2n minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k. Actually, this is nothing but the partial sum of the series summation k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k. In the similar way, we can take for all numbers, that is b1, b3, b5 and it goes on. In general, b2n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus summation k equal to 1 to 2n plus 1 minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k. So we know that the alternating of harmonic series converges to log 2, that is summation k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k converges to log 2. And if you consider the sequence Bn, we can observe that the sequence Bn is constructed by combining the sequence b2n and b2n plus 1. For example, b1, b2, b2 is in b2n, but b1 is in b2n plus 1. So in the similar way, the sequence bn is constructed. If you consider the subsequential limits of bn, definitely the limit of b2n and the limit of b2n plus 1 are the only subsequential limits for the sequence bn. If you take any other subsequence of bn, definitely if it converge, then definitely it will converge to either the limit of b2n or the limit of b2n plus 1. Obviously, we know that this series converges to log 2. Therefore, b2n converges to log 2. b2n plus 1, here we have minus 1 by 2 plus summation k equal to 1 to 2n plus 1 minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k. Therefore, it converges to b2n plus 1 converges to minus 1 by 2 plus log 2. So, I just consider the subsequential limits of the sequence, which is nothing but log 2 and minus 1 by 2 plus log 2. Now, actually, the question deals with limit supremum and limit infimum. Okay. So, The set of all subsequential limits of the sequence Bn is the set containing two elements. One is log 2, another one is minus 1 by 2 plus log 2. So now if we take supremum, then that is the value of limit supremum. If you take the infimum of the set, then that is the value of limit infimum of Bn. So limit supremum Bn equal to log 2, which is greater than 1 by 2. Limit infimum Bn equal to minus 1 by 2 plus log 2, obviously which is greater than 0, because log 2 is approximately equal to 0.6. So when you apply the value here, definitely 0.6 is greater than 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 0.6 is greater than 0. Therefore, now we can conclude the options. In the sequence, they have given first option. In this problem, they have given the first option, limit Bn equal to 0. Actually, since Bn, the sequence Bn has two subsequents, and those two subsequents converges to two different points, the sequence Bn does not converge, because we know that if the sequence converges, then every subsequence converges to the same limit, the limit of the sequence. So here we have two different subsequential limits, therefore the sequence Bn does not converge. Therefore the first option is not wrong, because if it is converges, then we can check the value. But here Bn, the sequence Bn does not converge. The second one, limit supremum Bn, actually we know that which is greater than 1 by 2, therefore the second option is right. The third one, limit infimum Bn is less than minus 1 by 2. Actually, which is greater than 0. Just now we check limit infimum Bn equal to minus 1 by 2 plus log 2, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the third option is wrong. Obviously, the fourth option is wrong, because 0 is less than or equal to limit infimum Bn is correct. But limit supremum Bn is less than or equal to 1 by 2 is the wrong answer, because from the second option, limit in supremum of Bn is greater than 1 by 2. Therefore, the fourth option is also a wrong answer. So, the only correct answer is the second option, limit supremum Bn is greater than 1 by 2. Thank you.